Welcome. In today's video, we're going to give you a walkthrough to our builder so you can easily navigate through each component and start building your app from scratch. So let's start doing it. When you enter the builder, you click on Create a Blank App. Let's give it a second to enter it. So at the moment, the app is empty. So I'm going to walk you through all of those components so you can know exactly where to go in order to start creating your app. So at the moment, the app is empty. It only has the main navigation. So you land immediately on the screens. So what to do next? First of all, as you can see, there's a main navigation. You can choose between different layouts. You can choose between different icons and choose your navigation bar. To start adding the features and functionalities, you have to go here to this plus section, and all the features and functionalities are listed right here. They are divided by categories, and you have to choose which is a fit for your particular app. You just have to click on it, and it's going to be automatically there. So just as an example, you just click on it, and it's automatically there. From there on, you can start adding content by clicking to add item, and you can change the layouts. If you want to change how this section is called, to each screen that you add into your app, you click on these three dots, click on rename, and you can type in whatever you'd like to be called and click save. In order to preview your app, you have to, while doing your app, you have to download our Disclose app from Apple and Google Store. You can scan this QR code, and you have to use the same login credentials that you're using to access the builder. Here, you can rename your app. This is your app name. Here you can check your account if you have multiple apps. You can get in touch with our support or read our support articles. If you are stuck, or if you'd like to like our team to build an app for you, you can get in touch. You can get in touch with our experts, hop on a call and walk them through the app, and we can for sure do the app for you. And once the app is ready, you have to hit the publish button. If you already have a paid account, you can hit the publish button. If you don't, you would be prompted to a pricing page where you can choose between different plans. Now let's go through these components. After you added all the features and functionalities, you can play around with the design. You can choose between different themes. You can select the theme, which is going to reshuffle all the things, all the colors about the app. You can further customize themes and do additional things over here. We're going to dive into each of those features, functionalities, components, and so on in additional videos as well. This is just a high-level overview. Once the app is live, you will see the analytics about the app, number of downloads, number of users, daily active users. If you have registration to access the app, you will see all their contact information. If you want to send push notifications, you can do so from here. You just have to click on push notifications, and then you can send push notifications to everybody. You can create certain groups, send targeted notifications to those specific groups, and much more. Also, if you have some RSS feed, you can enable RSS monitoring, and users can receive push notifications whenever a new article is available. Also, push notifications can be sent directly through our Disclose app. Settings. Once you're done with your app, if you want to publish it, you have to go to the Settings tab, enter the app info, store metadata, and hit publish button, and our publishing team is going to take over and go through the submission process with Apple and Google. Extensions, whenever we are doing platform updates, whenever we add a new feature, a new functionality, you will have like a yellow dot over here, so you can check what updates we did, and you can just update entire platform, update just certain features, functionalities, and go from there. If you need any help, you can always click here, and all the support articles are available with a lot of videos that we have are going to be listed here. Really hope this video was helpful. This is something to begin with. In the following videos, we're going to focus more on deep diving into every single aspect of the app so you can build your app with ease. And remember, also, you can always reach out to our support team. We are available 24/7. More than happy to help. Happy building.